What's up, guys? I just want to thank Max Speeding Rod for helping us get these coilovers for the EG. They helped us get these coilovers and we're going to put them on the EG. We told them a little story about the EG and everything that's been going on, and they sent us some coilovers, so let's unbox them really quick. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's see which ones they sent us, guys. These are supposed to fit the 92 to 95 EGs. Whoa. Whoever threw these down here didn't throw them down here good. Dang, that orange. Damn, Max Speeding Rod. Yeah. See that up there? That's pretty clean. It's not bad.
Not bad, kid.
All the hardware right here. Ooh, we do need this. This will help. Yep. Alright, we can't exactly put these on yet because if you guys remember, the lower control arm bolt just broke off. So the lower control arms should be here by today, hopefully. And then if they come in today, we can try and knock it out. But if not, then we're gonna try and do everything on Friday, which everything will be here on Friday, especially Toby's wire harness for his ECU. And we did not forget about that, guys. We're gonna be tuning it soon too. Just very soon. We have the map. All we need is a wire harness. Hook it up together. ECU, map harness, map, easy. Bro, you freaking kidding me, bro? Look at this. Popped out, and looks like I gotta go fishing because my bag fell in here in my sock.
Brand new sock too.
Oh yeah, too easy.
Too easy.
Too easy. Hello, Mr. George. Alright guys, the camera arms came in. I'm gonna unbox these really quick, see how they look. They were supposed to come yesterday, but they didn't. But they showed up this morning. And the results. Oh my. And the results. Ooh, look how clean these look. These will be way better than the ones I have right now. What the? Who's that? But these are so clean, dude. And then we also got Toby's wire harness in, so we're gonna probably try to tune it either today or Sunday. Toby's gonna come over later too and try it. We're gonna try the map that Houston sent us. Thank you, Houston, by the way. Houston's sending us the tune map, and we're gonna try it out. He's gonna come over later. We're gonna look at it. Dude, you know, I realized when you called me?
What?
I was like, dang, did Matthew get a new phone or something? Because the audio is so clear. It's because of the new exhaust, bro.
Oh.
The audio is so clear. I was like, I can understand everything you're saying, bro. That's crazy.
Every time you call me, you can't hear anything.
Yo.
That sounds so good.
Yeah, let me look at the butt.
She's a little dirty.
Too many flames, bro. Oh yeah. And then just register the EG so we can drive it freely now. This one's registered too. Dude.
And I'm officially ASC certified. I passed my test today.
Oh yeah.
Thank everybody. Thank you guys for supporting us and motivating us to walk on our cars and stuff. Yeah, big shout out to you guys. And we hit 400 subscribers. If you guys don't know, thank you to you guys again. We'll do something special.
Alright guys, got the camera arm, put in the coil in, there's the other one. They're struggling to get that thing off, it's really bad. Alright, everything's bolted up as it should be. Back here is bolted, here's bolted, there's bolted. This is set to 28, I'm gonna try it out. Look at this, look what I built.
What if you jack it up?
I don't know if you, oh look at this. Oh yeah. Okay, one person gonna be watching, one person gonna be on the cord, so you'll be watching, and then you'll be on the cord. So if it falls on my face, be like, stop it, unplug it. You know?
Ah!
What am I watching for? can't really even see, man. My privacy screen, I can't see anything.
Oh, damn.
Oh,
It ate all the life already. Or almost.
They're not good.
You ready for action?
Oh! You didn't say yes.
Oh.
I did not say yes. Spin it the other way. That's so smart. Give me a 14. Anything hot. Oh my gosh, I'm so smart, dude. I was gonna take it off to change it because it wasn't reaching.
Ready?
Yeah, science.
Okay, maybe I spoke too soon.
Come here. This is how astronauts feel, bro. Oh. Yes! Got it out!
Yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, my gosh! Let's go!
Too easy.
Oh, wait. I think this thing's about to be slammed. Oh. That's not bad.
Ooh, perfect. I wanted at least 2.
Ready?
Alright.
In the drop zone.
Go slow.
How? Dude.
Oh shit.
Dude, it's still going.
It's still going.
I think it's done.
Oh no, it's not done yet.
That's not bad.
2 fingers.
That's not
What I'm
bad. If it's what's the bag?
How many fingers is that?
Well, it's because these wheels are big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Bless you.
Yo, this side is so much lower. And why is it cambered in?
Back of the car.
Did you move it or no?
Oh, no.
Okay.
Should we redo it?
Oh, that's still low.
Oh shit.
It's still
Tug-
low?
Oh shit.
Dude, I swear. Dude, I put it higher?
I think you made it lower, bro.
I think I did make it lower, but I swear I put it higher. It's the top one, right? Or the...
Yeah, it don't matter the top or bottom. It's just the way you spin it. If you spin it down.
Wait, did you spin it left or right?
I gave it more threads.
So you.
Did you tighten up here?
Oh, no.
Oh my goodness, no way.
Oh my! Come
Yo.
look at this camera, man.
Hey,
Brother!
I was working.
Ah! You drink all my milk, man.
He wants to go eat stuff, so now this is punishment.
Toby, how tight did you put this?
You're a bad dog. You're a bad dog.
Why'd you tie it so much?
He's here. Oh! Oh yeah, get to work, Alex.
Yup. I'm actually doing something.
Oh, I was like, it's a little high, man. Oh, that's perfect.
That's perfect.
No, it's
Oh,
still
wait.
going down.
Oh,
It's good.
That's fine.
that's perfect.
We're going high, right?
Yeah, okay.
Check the other side.
Yo, it's 3 fingers.
That one's 3 fingers.
No, like 2.5.
Hey, bye.
What's happening, Tail?
Matthew and then broke my car. Just kidding. It's not starting. It doesn't sound like it's turning. Like, watch this. Start it, Matthew. I know how to fix this, guys. Watch this. Ready? You see that? Hello? Bro. I don't know what happened. Go try and start it, Matthew.
Okay.
Listen to this bullshit, bro.
Yeah, sounds like
like you lost compression.
Oh.
Compression?
Yeah. 3-line on the harmonic balancer that
Yeah. That's supposed to be the top. Or
Yeah, it's supposed to be up. It's supposed to be up, and then it should line up with the 3 lines on it, or the single line on the crank. Yeah, pretty much.
Oh! You just completely missed.
Pull the dipstick out and just give it a little taste. See if it tastes like coolant.
just
Why is it so black?
I feel like it looks a little watery. Okay, I'm gonna taste it.
Oh, good.
I'm scared. I feel like I'm gonna accidentally swallow it.
Oh, it'll be okay.
Bro, think of it as soy sauce, bro.
I feel like you swallowed it, bro.
Ew, not the gun.
Tastes like oil or coolant?
Does it smell like coolant?
I don't know what coolant tastes like, but I think there might be coolant in there.
Put your finger in the radiator and taste coolant, just to double check. You'll know when it's coolant.
Is there a difference? Like, is it similar?
Yeah, my tongue gets numb.
Maybe a head gasket.
So do you think
It tastes like Mountain Dew. Do you think there's coolant in the oil?
Wait, dip it in again and then see it again.
Y'all just want me to fucking take.
Does the oil taste like coolant?
Let me try.
Test taste 2.
Okay.
Now you know what coolant tastes like.
Oh, that's bitter. I have the aftertaste. I can't tell.
You just like that thing, bro.
I feel like it.
What?
You feel like it does have coolant? Yeah. The bitter. The oil. You know what it tastes like, Tail? Alright, now taste the
oil. Wait, just lick it off like Matthew did. Matthew, how'd you lick that, bro?
No.
Yeah, that's just an oil.
Okay.
Alright guys, we're gonna tune Toby's car another day because our laptop is in charge and they had to go home, so yeah. This is how the EG looks now. This is how it sits. Oh, let me move it. This is how it sits. It sits pretty good. It's gonna be another thumbnail side shot of coils. Look at that. The wheels turned a little bit, but it looks so much better. It's about like two fingers. Oh, this side's not turned. It looks so much better. Alright. Let's look at the butt. That's what the butt looks like. Bottom. Oh yeah. Alright. Fortunately, we can't get it started for some reason. I don't know what happened, bro. I literally drove it and it was fine. Yesterday, it was the fuel pump fell off. Today, it's something crazy. I don't know what it is, bro, but it's scary. So, we're gonna fix this. I'll see you later.